So I'm sitting here and I'm thinking possibilities. To always see in one color. I'm drawing this bird right now. I usually do a video of it, of me drawing the process. Sometimes I erase, sometimes I don't. And I really enjoy to see in only one color. You got your focus in front of you, and then you start thinking about other shit. Other shit that just in one color. In one color. Blows your mind. Birds are blind when they're born. When I was a kid, I saw baby birds come out. When I was a kid, at night, 3 birds, they come out to eat. Birds are blind when they're born. So I saw 3 come out to eat. One opened his mouth, leaned over. It opened its mouth and began to chew. It opened its mouth. You can just hear opened. You can just its mouth hear. As the season changed, the squirrels came out to eat. The squirrels, and I watched them came out to eat. I watched the squirrel eat the first of his nourishment. He began to chew.